back to the YouTube channel, guys. Today we are working on this 2005 Mercedes-Benz E200. We're going to remove and reinstall the compressor and the receiver dryer. The first thing we're going to remove is the computer, then the throttle body. But remember, guys, to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So we already removed the computer and the throttle body. Next we're going to remove the injector railing and the intake manifold and the supercharged manifold. So it takes a lot of pulling down to access the compressor. So we're going to remove the injector railing now.
Can I go one side?
Yeah man, I can just push it to a side.
Can pause.
So we remove the injector railing and the intake manifold. So this is the supercharged manifold that we also have to remove. So we are pulling the high side pipe now. We already pulled the low side pipe. The compressor is finally out, so we're going to put it on the table and inspect it to see exactly where it's leaking. So basically this is where the compressor crack, right here. This is exactly where it leaking. So we're gonna reinstall a different compressor. So this is the compressor that we're gonna install on the vehicle. So we install a brand new receiver dryer on the condenser, and also we rebuild the eye side hose. So the compressor finished bolt up, we catch up back everything. So we're going to start the engine and the regas the system. Start the engine now. And turn on the AC. So we are regassing the system. So the AC is now working. You can see the both side hose cold. A lot of water on it. Sorry. Just gonna check inside. AC is now blowing coal. Another successful job from Kirk's Cool Air Auto.